Good morning, students. Now, in today's class, we are going to start the points related to the group number 15 elements. Like some general properties, we know atomic radius, first property, this atomic radius. You all know about the size of elements. This size of elements, what kind of periodicity is present in the size of elements in a periodic table. In a general consideration, we all know that in a periodic table, when we move from left to right in a particular period, then size decreases. Then size decreases. Okay, and the reverse of this, in a group, when we move from up to down, atomic radius increases or atomic size increases. Atomic radius increases or atomic size increases. Okay, so that is the condition we have related to the atomic radius in a general phenomena of the periodicity of the properties. Now, when we have the comparative study among the elements of different groups, if we compare the atomic size of group number 14 and group number 15, that is group number 14 and another group number 15, these elements of two different groups. This is they are the nitrogen family elements. Atomic and ionic radii of the elements of nitrogen family are smaller. Atomic radii of group number 15 is smaller with comparison to the elements of the group number 14. Group number 14 elements atomic radii. What is the reason for this? The reason for this, in group number 14. Group number 14 comes first and group number 15 comes after the group number 15. In this condition, when we compare the two elements in group number 14 in group number 15, in a period when we move from left to right, in this condition, what we are doing? In this condition, we are increasing the number of electrons in the same cell. Increasing the number of electrons in same cell. So when we are increasing the number of electrons, the value of Z effect will increases. Nucleus apply the more force of attraction on the center on these electrons. So the size will decrease. In this condition, the size will decrease. So that is the reason that when we move from that is the reason that atomic radius of group 15 elements is less than with comparison to the group 14 elements there. Because okay, so that is related to the concept of atomic radius. When we discuss this for the group, that what happens in a particular group, when in a group, when we move from up to down, covalent or ionic radii, CR, covalent radii, and IR, ionic radii, increases with atomic number. They increases with their atomic number. As the atomic number increases, the covalent radii and ionic radii of these elements will increases. The reason, the explanation regarding to this, that down the group of covalent radii increases primarily due to the addition of the new principal energy cells, due to addition of new principal due to the addition of new principal energy cell in the elements there. Considering the increase of the covalent radius from nitrogen to phosphorus, the atomic radius increases. There in this condition. Small increase in the covalent radii from arsenic to bismuth. Small increase of arsenic in atomic radii from arsenic to bismuth due to the poor Selling effect there. So what is the meaning of Selling effect? We discussed this. Shielding effect means the conservation of the outer electrons from the attraction force of the nucleus. That is known as shielding effect. Just understand, if that is nucleus center part, around this we have electron, around this we have another electron. That is electron, that is inner electron. Nucleus attracts the electron. So these electrons of inner cell, protects the outer electron from attraction forces of nucleus. Attraction forces of nucleus known as shielding effect. That is known as shielding effect. It is used as a basic concept to understand the different points related to this particular thing. So this is all about the atomic radius we have there. We will continue with the other properties in our next video. Thank you very much.